The adjective
furbo,
in Italian is used to describe a person who's good at avoiding deception and traps, getting out of dangerous situations, or working a situation to his or her advantage. In English, you could describe such a person as cunning, sly, or crafty if you're being critical of them, or clever, smart, or canny if you're showing admiration for their cunningness.
furbo,
Adjectives such as furbo have 4 possible endings depending on whether the noun being described is masculine, feminine, singular, or plural.
furbo,
Masculine, singular.
furba,
Feminine, singular.
furbi,
Masculine, plural.
furbe,
Feminine, plural. If you tell someone to,
farsi furbo,
literally, to make oneself clever, you're asking them to smarten up or wisen up because you feel their intentions or thoughts aren't very intelligent.
Stasera vado in discoteca. Ma fatti furbo, domani hai l'esame.
I'm going to the disco tonight. Oh, come on, smarten up. You have your exam tomorrow. Furbo may also denote things such as ideas or projects that demonstrate cunning. For example,
Un piano furbo,
would be a cunning plan in Italian. What's more, furbo and its corresponding feminine and plural forms may also be used as a noun to mean cunning person. From this sense of the word, we get the augmentative forms
furbone,
and
furbacchione.
which are humorous ways of saying crafty old devil or sly fox. 2 very common expressions featuring furbo as a noun are
Furbo come una volpe,
as sly as a fox, and
fare il furbo.
which means to be tricky or to get clever with someone.
Non fare il furbo con l'insegnante, hai capito?
Don't get clever with the teacher, understand?
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.